I'm grinding the peanuts for the birds outside. And Lou and I are in a fight for the last couple of weeks about him thinking that he is smart when he eats one of those peanuts in the morning. He'll just leave his Harrisons lying around and ignore it totally and just look at me like, I'm sorry you didn't know, but I only eat peanuts now. And so I have to be very strict and not give him any. And so the way I do it is I leave a very tiny little bit for him to see. And then I lay out his Harrisons, and I tell him, you eat this first, and then you'll get your peanuts. And he'll just sit there for an hour and look at me, imploring with these eyes. And at a certain point, I totally just turn my back to him and watch television or something. And at a certain point, he'll just have eaten his Harrison. And he'll be praised, and then he can eat all the goodies. It's how we do. And he knows it. You're such a good boy, such a sweet boy. Okay, let's feed the birds.